Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add full stop symbol after any text without pressing full stop key in Samsung phone keyboard. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me just open the Samsung on-screen keyboard. So here, I'm not gonna use any full stop key here. As you can see, this is the full stop key on this Samsung keyboard. So in order to add a full stop without pressing this full stop key, what you need to do is just click on this settings option. And now you'll see here more typing options. Just click on it. Now you will see here one option, double tap spacebar to add full stop. So just turn it on if it is not turned on. Now you can just minimize it. Now let us reopen the Samsung on-screen keyboard. Now say let me type some word. So I've typed one word here, and now just double click on this spacebar 1 2. So you can see here the full stop is being automatically being added, as you can see here clearly. So let us try again. Just double click on the spacebar again 1 2. So now you can see. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add full stop symbol after any text without pressing full stop key in Samsung phone keyboard very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.